Dear students, question number 55 is the second part of linked data type questions for question 54 and 55, where it is asked that what is the peak flood discharge due to storm of 5-hour duration. This information is already mentioned in the question that storm of 5 centimeter occurs in 5 hours over the catchment. Now since phi index is given, we can calculate that what is the amount of infiltration. Infiltration will be phi into delta T, that is 2 mm per hour into 5, because if we remember P minus R is phi delta T. So P minus R, it will be infiltration. So phi delta T has to be equal to infiltration. That's why if phi is 2 mm per hour and storm is taking place for 5 hours, so infiltration value will be 10 mm or 1 centimeter. Now total rainfall that is mentioned in the question is 5 centimeter, as a result of which effective rainfall after infiltration remains to be 4 centimeter. So peak of direct runoff hydrograph comes out as peak of unit hydrograph multiply by effective rainfall, that is 4 centimeter in this case, which comes out as 266.7 meter cube per second. Now since we have asked about what is the peak of flood hydrograph, we have to add the base flow to this peak of direct runoff hydrograph to obtain peak of flood hydrograph, which comes out as 296.68 plus 30, that is in fact 266.7 plus 30, that is 296.7 meter cube per second, making C as the correct and closest choice for question number 55. Thank you.